Does your Windows Start menu reset to default on reboot? Then you can follow these fixes that we have for you in this video. Now first, try to check your date and time. Do it by opening Settings, choose Time and Language, click Date and Time, click Change, and in the prompt, adjust the date and time. Once done, click Change to save the changes. Afterwards, you have to restart your computer and check if you're still facing the problem. Another possible fix you can try to do is to remove third-party start menus. Just open Control Panel, click Programs, select Uninstall a program, then in here, locate and right-click on the Install Third-Party Start menu, then choose Uninstall from the context menu. Now you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. After that, give a quick restart to your computer and check for the issue. For your last resort, download and install the latest update. You can do that by opening Settings, click Windows Update, click Check for Updates option, then Windows will now look for and download any available updates. And those are the following fixes if your Windows Start menu resets to default on reboot. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.